Welcome back to Law and Crime Network. We are doing a post-trial recap with Gene Rossi, my friend from Virginia, also known as hashtag 40/41 for all those great games that he shot when he was in high school. But Gene, I know you're getting ready. I told you I was going to do something. I told the producers I've been given permission. I'm starting a new segment on my show. You are the first test case. So are you ready? I know you don't know what's going on, but I know that you are a lawyer that knows how to respond at the drop of a hat to what's going on. It's my new show called Flip the Script. And Gene Rossi, I'm going to allow you to ask me a question. Me, the host, you, the guest. Now you, the host, to me, the guest. What's the question you want to ask me, Gene Rossi from Virginia?
Closing argument in the Jason Van Dyke trial, what would be the 2 or 3 major points you would say to the jury?
Well, that would depend if I was closing for the prosecution or the defense.
If you're defending Mr. Van Dyke.
Yeah, listen, I would like to be in a space to say, folks, these are split-second decisions. And a videotape, like anything in life, does not tell you the whole picture. We have a man with a 20-year career, whatever the number was, who's been a good, faithful police officer. He did not wake up that day and say, I am going to go out and shoot an unarmed person or a person with a knife. He did it because he felt he had to do it. A person who had previously been out and committing a robbery where he almost assaulted a person previous to that at the trucking yard, a person who was failing to listen to officer commands, walking down the middle of the street, who, by the way, was on PCP, looking a little crazed, not listening to the cops, holding a knife in the hands. And then this man goes and assaults the police car. Now, you may not think that's a big deal, but for somebody who's doing something like that and then punctures the tire, he's letting you know he's willing to use that knife against the police. So when Jason Van Dyke, 20-year veteran, comes out here, never having been in charge or trouble for something like this, and that man spins around, has his hand by his waistband, he is in fear of his life. Now, you know what? 2020 is great. Being a second armchair quarterback is phenomenal as well. But you weren't the ones that were out there. You listened to what goes through his mind psychologically. This man shot him, unfortunate as it is, because he believed reasonably that he was in fear of his life or that that man could escape and harm citizens. And unfortunately for him, he has an affirmative obligation, ladies and gentlemen of this jury, to protect the community, not to run away like the prosecutor would have you think. Something like that.
Whoa! That makes Columbus Day very special,
you know
Bob.
What, Gene?
You know what we should do?
Fanning myself now.
We should play what you just said and then compare it to what was actually said in closing by the defense attorney. That would be a beautiful show in itself.